everybody. Welcome back to All My Foodies. Come on, baby. I have not seen you guys in like 6 months.
Hi,
and so I'm working with a new camera today. So it's my daughter Madison. She's with me today. So we're doing a seafood boil.
Can you tell them what they got?
One second. So I'm working with a new camera and I don't have my glasses on. So I need you guys to let me know in the comments if we're far away, if we're close. I really can't tell. We're close, but it doesn't seem like it. Yeah. So I'm just working with a new camera. So let me know how the view is for you guys. So today we have, don't worry about that shit. So we got crab legs, we got potatoes, we got, let me turn it around. We got eggs, scallops, broccoli, and corn. So I got the corn from Madison because I hate corn in my teeth. So, and I got the broccoli for me. And then we both have water. And
my eyes melted.
And I got homemade Alfredo sauce. So we're going to do it with the Alfredo today because I've been seeing everybody doing it. And I haven't tried it yet, so I want to try it. Okay, so she's going to scoot her chair.
Because the buttons are on my face.
Okay, so we're going to say grace and then we're going to start eating. Okay? Amen.
Amen.
All right, so I want to try the scallops.
Hungry.
Yeah, we're both like really hungry. You want to try the scallop with me? Okay, let's try the scallop together.
Okay. Let me get this one.
So we're about to try it.
I don't want to dip it in that.
Okay, so she's, for some odd reason, she don't want to try it with the Alfredo sauce.
I got this. And rice.
Looks so good. Yes, I gotta learn how to work with my camera. But I missed you guys so much.
Me too. It's not bad.
Oh, that's good.
It tastes like the
with the
crab
scallop.
a little bit.
I'm gonna try it with the egg.
I'm gonna get my fork.
Ooh, it just seems so far back, you guys. I don't know. That's very good. I have a recipe video for my Alfredo sauce. If you want to check it out. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to make Alfredo sauce. If you don't, you can go in my history of videos and check it out. Oh, that's good.
Can you try a crab now?
Hold on. Okay. I had to put the microphone on.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I'm gonna get this.
Okay.
I hope I don't.
This scallop is so good. As it should be, because having if you get like a seafood pasta, so good. But I wanted to do some special, I can't even talk, you guys. Some special shout outs to some people. Like I may not comment, but I've been watching you guys. I want to congratulate my girls. It's Whiny on 100K. I'm so proud of you, girl. I'm so excited for you. I've been watching you. Keep doing your thing, girl. I want to congratulate QT Eats on 1,000, but she's already above 1,500 now. So congrats to you, girl. And of course, Miss B Love, she's at 2 million, 2.1 million at this point. So I'm just so happy to see everybody just growing and doing their thing and making big things happen. So congrats to you guys.
Ow. Why is this snow crab is so hard?
We have a bag over here for our scraps. Yeah, that's the hard part, baby. Let me see. Oh, you got it. Wow. Did you want to dip it in there?
Yes. 'Cause this
It's
my
really
first
good though.
time. This my first time using it.
Ooh. Mm.
You help me.
Yeah, that's a lot. Let me see.
Because I can't do the side.
No, you don't need to do the side. Just let's do it like this.
I just eat this part first.
Ooh, ooh. Wait. You don't want it in the Alfredo?
I do.
You wanna try it?
Mm-hmm.
Just try it with this little piece right here. Oh God. It got stuck.
Mmm.
So Madison started 2nd grade this year. She's at a new school.
Yay!
And I'm excited that she likes the new school. I put her in a different school this year because I wanted her to be around a more diverse group of people. Really like the school so far. It's only been a week, so I'm pretty sure the school is gonna hold up to what the image is. So I'm excited about that. And she's on a school bus, so she's basically
Can you tell them?
independent. Go ahead.
I ride bus number 22. I'm 21.
Mhm. Yep. These scouts are so good, you guys. I can't get away from them.
My friend Amara rides the bus with me. Yay! Okay. Why do crab got so crunchy?
Ooh. Ooh, these scallops are so good. I feel like I'm so far away from y'all. We'll see. This is my first time back. I can't believe I've been gone for like 6 months, 7 months. I think it's 6 months. But I missed you guys, but I'm always watching, and I've been wanting to get in on the challenges, but I'm a little late now, so. But this Alfredo sauce with this seafood is popping, okay? Yes, it is, honey.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's enough with the crab. I'm getting
No, you need to just get a simpler piece. Like, that claw is,
I use my fork.
yeah. Okay, so we'll do this. Ooh. Pop, I'm over there, y'all.
I'm getting my water.
Mm.
We both have water. No juice today. I'm gonna get this piece. It's gonna be better.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. I got up when it got the extra stuff for this. I made some breakfast earlier, but I'm so hungry right now.
Me too.
So good.
I had waffles this morning. Was it called waffles?
Mhm. Yeah, we ate some waffles this morning
Yeah,
and bacon.
it was good. I didn't really like the bacon because it didn't taste like it was all the way cooked. But
Yeah,
Mommy
it
said
had a lot of
was.
fat on it.
Fat?
Mhm. It's pork belly. That's what bacon is.
Does it come from a pig?
Mhm.
Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah. Let me try this broccoli. Broccoli is so good, you guys.
I love corn. I don't like
Ooh.
broccoli that much.
Dropped all this stuff in the sauce.
That's enough. I'm using it.
Yeah, but to make Alfredo sauce is not hard at all. You just gotta keep an eye on it while you're making it. Mm.
They can't really see because we got bites. That lightning.
Mm. Mm. Very good. Let's get that in there. Broccoli, very good.
I can't really get the crab out of here, but I can get a piece.
No, see? You got it? There you go.
I want to get closer so they can see.
We can get this together, y'all.
We was gonna zoom in, but mommy didn't want to.
Yeah, it's like the positioning. You see my head is cut off.
Her ponytail.
Trying to sit back and it seems like it's so far away.
Where's she gonna drop food on her pin?
But the next video will be a lot better, but I had to do this today. I was sitting up here playing around with this camera all morning like, what kind of position can I get in where it'll capture the food and see my face? Cause
I'm gonna go get me a napkin for my hands.
Right here.
Can you break one off?
Okay, hold on. Yeah, the napkin was for that. But this Alfredo sauce. You don't want a scallop?
Yeah.
Really?
It was good, but I don't like it.
Oh my god, y'all. Look at this sauce.
I'm
It's
getting
so
some
good.
corn, y'all.
Well, she
I'm
getting
gonna try it
corn.
with that.
Ooh.
Because this is my first time.
Mm.
This is my first. This is my
Just
second.
dip it a little bit. Yep. It's not hot.
Look,
I look like it's steaming though.
this is good.
Okay, let's see.
Don't drop it.
Corn.
That's what it looks like, guys. Thank you.
She don't want no scallops. I'm so happy. We didn't even do a thumbnail. Oh my god. It'll be one. Yeah.
Look at my face.
Is the corn good?
Yep. Mommy don't like corn.
I like it. I just hate it for a video because I feel like I'm going to keep digging in my teeth and I don't want to be like that. This is so good, y'all. Seriously. The potato. Ooh. Oh, God, no.
She don't want to get her hands dirty.
No, it's fine. It's the Yukon Gold potatoes with the Alfredo.
That caramel is full.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
You probably can't
so
see
good.
the other piece of corn, but
Mm.
I can see it in the video.
Amazing. Mm. Ooh, Ooh. I had lip gloss on, y'all.
Me too.
It's gone.
Excuse me, y'all.
Y'all, when I say this is heaven.
Is it? Excuse me.
And I got the scallops from Sam's Club. And it was like, I read the bag. I think it was like, it was like $20-something for a bag of them. And they the big ones. You know somebody with a Sam's Club card? Go and get you some. So good. And I done had these crabs, these snow crabs in my freezer for like,
I thought you bought those.
like a few months ago. Yeah. Yep. Next time I'm going to Sam's Club and get me some king crab. Maybe Costco.
I ate all the crab off. Not crab, but
the corn.
Maybe
Costco. I don't know. They have them at Sam's Club, the king crabs for
I'm gonna go get me another piece of napkin.
2 in a bag. And then sometimes it's not even a whole 2 legs. Like, they have like a leg and a big old claw. Like, I'm not about to pay $40 for that. I need 2 whole legs. But if you go to Costco, you can go ahead and get them just separately. You can get them by the pound. Oh God. Ooh.
Can I tell you something?
Go ahead. What you need to tell me?
I went to go see Aladdin.
Oh yeah, I have not seen
did.
Aladdin yet.
It was
I have
so fun.
not seen Lion King yet. Oh my God,
I'm
such a
going with
lame.
her because I loved Aladdin.
And see at the
I
drive-in
love
here,
it.
at the drive-in here in Michigan, well Dearborn, Michigan, they had Aladdin and Lion King together, but I
Yeah, that's
haven't.
what
We don't
Grandma
live near
said.
there. We don't live near there, so it's kind of hard to try to go to the drive-in when it's late. I'm an early bird. I go to bed early.
Early bird.
So by the time it's time for the movie to start, I'm ready to go to sleep. But now it's getting dark early, so maybe I can go and just be all right now.
Ugh. This no crab tastes weird. I'm gonna get this.
This is
Look
so
like
good. Y'all.
eyes.
Y'all gotta go get y'all some.
Do we eat this part?
If you can,
But
here, let me just tear it
I
off.
like it.
Yeah. She don't like this part. It's like the claw or whatever. I don't know. That's what they call it. Or the knuckle. No, the knuckle. Not the claw. My bad.
Goodness.
Good.
Yeah.
She got. I hope everybody is doing well this weekend. I hope everybody had a good Labor Day.
It was Labor Day?
Last weekend.
I didn't believe I went
No.
to school on that day.
Monday. This past Monday.
Why didn't we do something? Did we do something?
We cooked.
When it was raining.
Yeah, it started pouring down raining while I was barbecuing. Oh God.
It went totally wrong.
The worst.
This yours?
I'm gonna do that one because I don't want you hurting yourself. So just do another one.
This one. This one? I thought that was a bug.
Maddie, no. Oh, I hate that my head is totally cut off. This is crazy.
I think you meant your ponytail. Got it.
Mm. Scallop. It's so good, y'all.
She loves it.
Mm.
I don't really eat scallop. I never even knew scallops was a thing. She probably said, "Ow!"
Scallops taste like heaven.
She
They
said
really,
that
really do.
twice.
And especially with the Alfredo sauce.
Ow.
Oh my god, that's so good.
That's so good.
Oh, I got stuff all over me. Maddie, because you over here flicking. I told you not to bother that. Do that one. Or do this.
Ow!
Oh, my bad. See, we over here. It's dangerous too. Messy and dangerous with these dang on crab legs.
Very dangerous. How have you, your guys days? Bad. Ours were kind of boring.
Really? Only because
This one,
when you working,
sleepy.
it's sleep. Oh yeah, you be sleepy when you get home.
I was gonna say lazy, but I'm not gonna do that. How?
Oh my god, y'all. This thing got messy.
Messy. At least, ow! Okay, crap.
It's Madison, because I keep telling you you're doing it the wrong way. Right, see how simple that is?
I tried it.
Ooh.
I saw a blue thing pop up in the middle of the video. I think it was the sign that you turned it on. Sorry, y'all. A blue sign came up. I don't know what it said. Mommy probably didn't see it. Did you?
The egg with the Alfredo was good too. This time I didn't add egg. I seen Zach Choi add a egg yolk in his Alfredo sauce. I didn't do it this time. I forgot about it. That's good.
How can you see your head is cut off? Oh, maybe because you can't see towards the camera.
So good.
I'm gonna get. What should I get? I'm gonna try a potato, so I'm gonna get a potato. Thank you. Excuse me.
So good. When I tell y'all these scallops is snatching my whole soul right now, okay? snatching that. So good.
That means it's taking it.
Madison, they know what it means. I'm so happy.
Ooh.
Find my water. My fall cup.
Whenever I do videos, I drink how ASMR people do it, like I just did.
I drink however thirsty I am. I'm thirsty.
I want to be careful because I want to start to go.
I'm getting full
How
now,
do
y'all.
they catch the crab? Was my answer.
They put nets down and put whatever kind of bait they eat. You know.
Do crabs even go in water?
Girl, I'm done.
I'm just asking.
Yes. What?
I'm going to play with my friends when I get them.
Where else would they find crabs at?
On the sand?
They live in really cold water.
Ugh. That's why they cold.
So they have to go. That's why most of the
Dropping
best crabs
stuff
are
on
like
my
in
feet,
Boston,
yeah.
Alaska.
Ow!
It's really cold in them places. If y'all heard it, that's what that was.
Mommy got on a vest and a regular white shirt and some jeans.
That was very random. Why are you telling me what I got on?
God,
Because what?
I want you.
Alright, you guys, I'm getting full. I know I didn't talk much this video. I just wanted to come on here and say I want to welcome myself back. I hope you guys welcome me back with open arms. I am going to try to start posting 3 times a week.
Can I get
I can't do every day because my job, I'm working Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 7. 10:30 to 7. So probably about 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, and then take it from there. But I did miss you guys, and like I said, even though I don't comment, I watch everybody I'm subscribed to. I do watch your videos and show you love. So I want to finish up this one, and then we're going to be out of here.
I was gonna ask.
On time, looking out the window, you guys. It's always crazy stuff happening at the corner. We live on a corner of our street, and it's people always. It's just always something interesting going on.
That's Allie's game.
Never know.
If you can hear it. Mommy need her glasses to see.
Okay. So we're about to get done. Woo.
Can I finish the video by myself?
We're going to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you like, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post up another video. See you guys later. Love you.